Hello there, my name is Roberto and I'm here at IPC since a long time. And in today's IPC Answers spill, we're going to discuss on how to choose between a dry-only and a wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Here at the IPC Vacuum Factory, here in Italy, we have many years of experience in manufacturing both dry-only and wet and dry vacuum cleaners for the commercial cleaning industry. We can provide information to help you deciding on the most appropriate vacuum for your needs. But maybe first we should start by explaining how a vacuum cleaner works. A commercial vacuum works by sucking up dust and dirt through a nozzle, up into a hose, down into a canister. The particles are collected either in a fabric or in a paper bag, which can then be emptied later. Exhausted air can also go through a HEPA filter to allow clean air to be returned into the room. But maybe now let's also explain the differences between only dry and wet and dry vacuum cleaners. Dry-only vacuum cleaners are designed specifically to collect dust and dirt from soft or hard floor surfaces. The paper or fabric collection bag inside the vacuum is not suitable for collecting wet debris, so dry vacuums are often quieter during operation and they're ideal for office and hotel applications. Their compact and lightweight design offers great maneuverability and it is ideal for small cleaning operations. Traditionally, dry-only vacuum cleaners are purchased by hospitality, contract cleaners, retail, so many hotels, shops and conference centers opt for a dry-only commercial vacuum cleaner. But if it is likely to find liquid on the surface to be cleaned, so then it is advisable to select a wet and dry commercial vacuum. As the name suggests, this vacuum is designed to be used equally for collecting dry dust and dirt, wet or damp particles, and even liquid from the surface to be cleaned. The technical features of this vacuum protect the motor from liquid ingress, ensuring an easy, safe, and durable operation. Wet and dry vacuums are often used by professional cleaning companies expecting to vacuum a mixture of liquid and dust particles, commercial kitchens, industrial premises, automotive workshops, etc. Wet and dry vacuum cleaners are manufactured in different capacities and different sizes, with 1, 2 or 3 motors, allowing you to choose the exact model for your needs. When purchasing either a dry-only or wet and dry vacuum cleaner, it is important to select the right set of accessories for your needs. IPC's got a wide range of optional accessories depending on whether you're cleaning carpets, wood flooring, curtains, vehicle interiors, and so on. Helping you to make the right decision when deciding between dry-only or wet and dry vacuums, ask yourself 3 questions. First, am I likely to be cleaning only dry dust and debris, or also possibly collecting liquid waste? Second, what is my budget? Am I prepared to spend a little more to purchase a vacuum which can only collect liquid material? 3, what is the area to be cleaned, as this will help you choose the required size or capacity of the tank. Answering these 3 questions will help you to choose between a dry-only and a wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Thanks for your attention and see you in the next IPC Answers spill.